You probably use a kitchen sponge every single day to wash dishes, clean countertops, and wipe away food messes. But have you ever stopped to think about what might be hiding inside it? In the next few minutes, we'll explore what science says about kitchen sponges, why they can become surprisingly dirty over time, and one simple mistake that many people make without realizing it. And by the end of this video, you'll be saying, "I didn't know that." The everyday cleaning tool. Kitchen sponges are designed to help us clean. Their soft, porous structure allows them to absorb water and soap while helping remove food residue from dishes and surfaces. But that same structure creates something interesting. A sponge contains thousands of tiny spaces where moisture can remain trapped after use. And whenever moisture, food particles, and warmth come together, microorganisms naturally have an opportunity to grow. In fact, it can happen in many damp household items. The common mistake. The biggest mistake many people make is continuing to use the same sponge for a long period without cleaning or replacing it. Over time, small amounts of food residue can remain inside the sponge. Combined with moisture, this can create bacterial environment. This doesn't mean your sponge is automatically dangerous, but it does mean that keeping it clean is important. So what can you do? Experts often recommend a few simple habits. Rinse your sponge thoroughly after use. Squeeze out as much water as possible on. Store it somewhere that allows it to dry between uses. And finally, replace worn-out sponges regularly. Many people keep the same sponge far longer than they realize. A fresh sponge is often more effective at cleaning and easier to keep hygienic. The surprising part. What's fascinating is that the sponge itself isn't really the problem. The real issue is how we use it. A clean sponge that dries properly can be a useful cleaning tool, but a sponge that's constantly wet and never replaced can gradually become less effective over time. Sometimes the smallest habits can make the biggest difference. So the next time you pick up your kitchen sponge, take a closer look. That simple cleaning tool may be working harder than you think. Just a few small changes you can help keep it cleaner and more effective. If you learned something new today, leave a comment saying, "I didn't know that." And subscribe for more hidden facts and surprising secrets hiding in everyday things. We'll see you in the next video.